was sick.
Alright guys, so in today's video we'll be showing you guys how to remove the exhaust on a 2023 Renegade Backcountry X 850 Gen 4. So, reason why we already have this opened up is because we're doing a sound comparison with the exhaust, the Jaws Rowdy can. So we'll get started on this. We'll remove these two clips, exhaust clips that keep the heat shields in place. Wasn't supposed to fall like that. Remove the fiberglass as well. You can use spring pullers, cables, whatever's your favorite friend for these to remove these springs. Let's start by removing the O2 sensor, or the exhaust sensor, which is still hot. And we can just leave it hanging in there. We have a 10mm bolt that we have to remove as well. Grab my tool right here. Now we'll go ahead and remove our springs. Set these aside. They're still hot. Now go ahead and grab the exhaust and remove it. You have to make sure to reinstall your grommets at the proper places. So if it's from your aftermarket to stock, the stock one and aftermarket, the one with the metal sleeve goes on the top. The two bottom grommets are in the bottom there. The exhaust sensor is placed differently on the stock compared to the aftermarket. So your sensor has to be facing upwards, nice and snug. Put the grommets on the bottom. Right there. Tricky one's this one here, the bolt. Like so. Grab my tool, sneak in from the back if I can. Helps when you put on forward mode. Okay, so that's on. Gotta put our springs back. That's good. Oh, forgot my sensor clip. Make sure to put that back. Just like so. I have to put my heat shields back on. Let's see here. Like so. And like so. These both go together here. Exhaust clip back on. One there. And one here. Wow, look at that beautiful stock exhaust. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to go give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos. Thanks.
That was sick.